Good morning. We are building our website, one of our websites, and we like to install Divi Theme. So how do we do that? Let's see if we can work on it from here. So we log into our WordPress site dashboard, and we will go to appearance and click on theme. And here we are just going to click on upload. And it will, and then we will click on upload theme. And down here I will choose file. And from my computer, let's see here, we will look for Divi Theme, and I'll click on that one and just upload it. The good things with Divi is when you purchase it, is you can use it for multiple sites. So let's click on install now. And wait to see what it's doing. And I like to work on our own website. I work on many. I have a lot of things to work on, but that's why I don't spend a lot of time on our websites. But I like to work on it myself. And let's see here. So because when you purchase the Divi, you'll download multiple files. Sometimes when you click on some of them, it won't install it until you click on the right one. So the one that I chose is the right one. So it says here that theme installed successfully. So that's great. So I'm going to click on activate. And I have it here, and I'm going to customize it. Why not? Let's try that and see. Okay, so it's sending me to the customization page. See, I don't really need to do that just yet. Okay, so we are here. I'm going to go back. Okay, So let's publish this and go back. And by clicking on publish, it does not mean that I launched the website. The website is not launched yet, so it's not accessible on the web just yet. So now we install our Divi, we have it, we can start now building the website. And you'll see, let's see here, let me see if you'll be able to see it. But in the left bar you'll see Divi. Let's scroll down. No, let me scroll. So Divi, and I'll click on Theme Builder, Theme option here, because I need to add my credentials in it. Let me see if it's allowing me to do that. So I'm just going to be clicking on, let's click on update here. So when you click on update, it's going to ask for the username, the API key, and I'm going to add those two information, and I'll click on save change. So let me work on that. See if I have the API key here. And then I will paste it. And you can pay a professional to design your website for you. Is going to be very faster, quicker. But if you are going to create multiple websites and you are going to rely on a professional to create them for you, it can be pricey. So if you are just starting out, it is good that you do a lot yourself, and it is a learning process. So let me see if we can go back. So when I click on updates and I paste the username and the API key, I save the change. So when I save it and it accepted, a check sign show up on the page. So I'll just clicking on things here to see what it's showing me. But you can just click on all the theme options they have here to see what you want, what you don't. And it's good to know where those things are, so that when you need to do something, you know where to find whatever you are looking for. And it's good to take notes when you are designing your website. That way, if you are going to work on multiple websites, or if you change something and you want it didn't like it, you want to see how it was before, you just revert back to your note and you follow back to your note to be able to see what you did before and what was there before, and make changes that you want. So pretty much a lot of things are going to be done. Let's see if everything here is the way we want it. So if you have those profiles, you wanted to add them, those are the place you'll add them here, the number of product to list and all that. So everything, you just know that if you go on Divi session here, you'll be able to find multiple things that you need to adjust. So don't know what I click on, but it seems to be working on something. So that's pretty much it. That's how you install your Divi activated and you start building your website. And our website is related to a service we provide. So we are now going to create multiple pages or anything, but there will be few pages that we will created. So I must have click on something to come to this theme builder page. So yeah, we might create some templates here to work with, but pretty much we will have few pages to few pages for our website, and then we will launch it. But yes, that's how you install your Divi and you activate it. I'm not going to go in detail into how you are going to build a theme. I have my notes. I use it to build one of our websites, and I have my note. I will fall back on that and pretty much see how what I wanted to adjust to create this website is going to be mostly informational, and it's going to be just few pages. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you all that subscribe to our channel. Thank you for all your comments, and thank you for watching our videos. I'm Afshavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and our blog is ninassoap.com. We have our natural product store, ninassoap.com, and we have our custom apparel store, liberlabel.com. If you have your own business and you are trying to create your own website, you can do it. You just take time and do your own search, and make sure you take notes for the processes that work for you, so that you have your own manual. If you are going to go through it again, you know how to find those information and then follow the instructions. So that's that. And a website for your business is like your business resume, your business card, you know, out there on the web that can be viewed by your prospective clients. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.